Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Microsoft Store download stuck on pending problem on Windows. First, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. This is the fastest and safest fix. Press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. A small run box will open. In this box, type WS Reset and press Enter. A black command window will appear on your screen. This window will stay open for a few seconds. When the process is complete, the Microsoft Store will open automatically. Once it opens, wait a moment and then try downloading your app again. If the download is still stuck on pending, the next step is to check the required Windows services. Press Windows, type Services, and open the Services app. A list of services will open. Look for the Microsoft Store Install service. Double-click it and make sure the startup type is set to automatic. Also, make sure the service is running. If it is not running, click Start. If it is running, click Restart. Do the same steps for Windows License Manager service. After that, find Background Intelligent Transfer service and do the same steps. These services are required for Microsoft Store downloads to work correctly. Next, check your date and time settings. Right-click on the clock in the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also, check that your time zone and region are correct. Incorrect time or region settings can stop Microsoft Store downloads. After completing all these steps, restart your computer. In most cases, the pending download issue should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.